So, but the best media school in Ghana, there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band of equipment, a chair for a quadruple awardisium, any air conditioned room, dear, the band media law, advertising, camera handling, and the marketing, there, and then a location at the Coffee Pipe Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi anada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati je
anadwumadi no enche ebo no nkron pepepe mene honorable Kennedy Agyapong ebetwetwe enkomo emrahye bedwane owo Asim Central enche mene no ebetwetwe enkomo na adofo no mema munyina akwaba eba dwumadi no so wa join me a o show me live ewo YouTube the announcer newspaper ewo YouTube at the same time o show me live ewo Facebook the announcer newspaper ewo Facebook. And some ekoso ewo wiase abana bom na bede ebremo mede edida Fred na ene ye hia na ye hia say de munim no sese onyankopon adom emra hye bedwane owo Asim Central eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong waba abedru America ha na amanfo bebre speculate kan sema enye nokware edito no so bebre kan nsem bia even Onyama yakra no ebinom perception a omo create no abontin a no omo ka kire wiase man nyina se honorable kra no America kra ontimi emba America. As I'm speaking to you now, enra awia na obeduru eye America. Enti omo a wo mo twa nkontompo omo a wo mo kan sema enye nokore nyina no all things being equal no wo mo animagu ase ama wiase man ehunsampa asima moka yinyina no na eye nkontompo they say waba abeduru America na the whole situation is Ghana for busase say wono ankasa no adenti na ensem bebre amanfo de to no so amanfo kan sema enye no kware ede to no so abre nyina eno no ye question bi a ebinom ebusabusa ebinom say oh honorable Kennedy Agyapong enne wo beda sorry no na we abeka asem bi a enya no kware na odi ato so we bo ho no abeka asem a enya no kware ama say bi ntia say adan why na ene oba be kyerɛkyerɛ nsem ahodro bebree mu ama wiaseman ehu de ekoso ena nsem a ekoso Ghana eno so odi ni nyina ebreye na honorable Kennedy Agyapong obi busa say ono akasa one hwan ehun nsem nyina no ye de bebremo ama mahu de ekoso midin edida de friend ensem bebree ewo ho ensem bebree wo ho enti ba bia wo bia no wo ho kwan say obadwane e life na also wachire wadwene ewo ensem na ekoso no ehun nti ni nyina me kyerɛkyerɛ mo ewo ensem no ho na say me kyerɛkyerɛ mo na me kyerɛkyerɛ mo paaye hey we are musem we are amafotimi bom mutirim na omo aka asem na omo ede ato obi so obi ho a na oboni tirim a ohun na wabetwa nkontompo na ode ato obi so ya saa niema no atwam emere atwam za saa niema no saa niema ni nyina no emere atwam se ye kasa ansem no na baabi aduru ne baabi a ewo se wiaseman ehu no kure wo ensem mu enu nti na ye hye enti owura Kennedy ohene Kennedy okupreko Agyapong or the nsem bebre ebebre ama yate ensem no but ma me kan kyerɛ Kevin Taylor etesai ohoye kwaku skirt etesai oso ohoye mo si wana tobe enumdwa mo pɛ adwuma bi nyɛ empɛ bra bi emmo mo sorry na mo twa nkontompo eto enmonyamfo obi a wabɔ bra chem obi a baabi a waduru nyamutipen no obi a baabi a waduru nyamutipen no na mo baabi a munnu nkran ketenkete o Kevin Taylor presec fo nti mo a mon kan nokre presec mon kan nokro Kevin Taylor pass ana motete no 1984 boy na wo sorry awu mu ade presec wo Kevin Taylor na wo house 3 yenum say wo house master say wo house teacher wo kire wo niam pa wo say wo di so say presec pa yetete wo kama ewo ho na Jimmy na ati America na ujimi umuade wo sori wo kasa anyhow kire mpanifo na wo twa nkontompo obi osori a wo ka asem a wontimi substantiate wa Ghana's Electoral Commission hwe nkontompo a Kevin Taylor etimbe fa Electoral Commission ho Ghana for koto about 2020 about the Electoral Commission we are seman nyina age atum se omo ye recognized institution omo organize free and fair elections omo wie Jemensa announce elections ya Kevin Taylor timi beye program ekase maami wa twane afiri Ghana abedru New York plane oforoye oditudwa time I will 2 year oditudwa time obedru New York oditudwa ensem ni nyina ba ye no na eyenkontompo na maami ewo Ghana so have Kevin Taylor here to me cite public catch the wiaseman I say oh na ono de kwaso no amanfo akwa basabasa wo Ghana ensem bebre otimi threaten ensem troni afia pokuya etimi hye emre 2 weeks say afia pokuya akra no 2 weeks ento no wono ogina ho etwa nkontompo enei Worcester for be your program wono a woye wanted man Kevin Taylor wono oye wanted man yakasa obi eye wanted man asamote ase obi a ye penache no ewo Ghana se wotwa ntro ato judge so a ye issue arrest warrant say enche no oti Virginia Alexandra ho anansem ena wodi dia reho a sefin bebre ni se osori a Ghana mpanifo a wo mabobra president akodra wo president otia konwa so bra president abono wo mo bi da ena Kevin Taylor nya oti pen na na adodanko Akufo-Addo the ministers asofo politicians eni mpanifo akese e wo Ghana na otwa nkontompo na wadi tro no wadi omatem awa eyasempa yade nyatem dide ne yepew yade ensema ye kan ye pe fax Canada Japan ye mrahye bedwani wa Asem Central owo yere ewo emma owo nuanom ne constituency so owo nipa edinachi at the same time oka parliament and defense interior committee ono eneye obi a oda no Ghana gas energy kese gas panyini ono na eda no board chairman oye obi a wo nimdie abada yeso de number 1 ukoba bia ye boni din Ghana for ma ekoka Lebanon nipa wo moto nsafre no esukyere no se omwa wo mo na omutimi free Lebanon mra eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong Kevin Taylor na wote o cement 1 bag kura nim ne bo cement 1 bag unim ne bo na obi a obo nipa abadaye ewo nimu na odo nipa no ono na maye mo ho se mo begu nanim ase ajasamona ena mo ye ni se okasa na okasa kakra bia na maso de kasa nim na mo de gu nanim ase ma me kan kire wo ma me musa wo se utie obi te saka ne de Japan a okọ 37 military hospital na anu ye ba ho cheki ene kutani $3 million or the 37 military hospital say wo momwa no mo ntire mu sisi cardio center niema say be ya Ghana for hu benya hoto na $3 million Canada Japan ka so na yire ne ma ene na busuafo odi a en ko betime di awia na atemu da asi di busaw ko mo betimi adi sika na wie na atemu da asi na mo sori nkora mu mbuade kwaku skirt mo sori mu betwa nkontompo enra me bo mode the audio bi the video bi tudwa na mo sha ensema mo ka se JB Dankwa eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong onim hu bi na JB Dankwa ehwere ne nkwa na wa hwe abrantie a police fo aso ne nsa no onie wei eneda okọ eye a police fo aso ya abrantie a woda remind no anase police fo jail no onie a yeguso edi asem no ya wo na abrantie wei abase ono na Kennedy Agyapong ebo ne pa ema woye saade no wei na NDC fo agina so any amanfo bi agina so edi gu Kennedy Agyapong ani mase na Kevin Taylor on pebre bi mo osori a enim guase na aya ne ma ena ogu amanfo ani mase wei o asema wei kan yi ena odigu Kennedy Agyapong ani mase na mo de mo amuntie mebusa police panyini oru adampare IGP police panyini wono ena o trust statement no na caution statement na brantie wei na o twere free na no eye sexy don a wo mo frɛ no Daniel ɛsɛ du wɔno na wɔtwerɛ nsɛm no free na no na yɛ dan na nipa foforɔ so ɛbaa mu a wɔn twerɛ nsɛm ɛfa nipa foforɔ no ho na monhwɛ ɛtwerɔ a saa brantie wei etwa ɛde to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so montama so
on the 6th February no na umbefa me ahomache me
tompo a
on the 6th February no na umbefa me ahomache me Mr. Kennedy Agyapong ene Mr. Ofori ene alote no tom de course de me call ritual bi mo say baby I make no ohonom security tight nti de me call ye call ritual ne say like me ni bibi ma me call no oluma bi na ye koto no ho ma me duro bi me ne ye se me wura ho a obi eni ho be hu me fi ho se me call obi eni ho be hu me me ye bibi awie akọ obi eni ho be den obe hu me ba so chimi a chimi no chimi a me mbosa ni pese me si say din na omatimi de gina so ayden every new election na msio mate na bibi awie a ombema me da me pebia na msio mate mi jitu mu eye dia omse menye nyama omo promise me ni na no envelope no de mama me 2000 Ghana cedis ene room na ma me de toto me ho nyama kakra bi a me de be den e de be kwa koye se adwuma to ma me sekan tuntum bi kan na me koy okay me koye bibi awie no nti mi ankasa me ni alote no na eba na osama o musa be chi me e wo konkoma o sentio me na mai sisi te me so me ko me jitu mu se ya mpa me na me ye na nipa se me sisi na ye den esuma me te me wo remind e adwene ho a nyama bi ha me ba prison anu me custody no ritual how na ye ko no spirit ne hante me my imagine say I forgive and forget everything that I'm going on me de me ho amanyame but nyama bi ha me na mentimi ndɛ nwumre bibi pursue me say I should speak the truth and let the secret not to happen secret we so nananmo mpenyefo NDC fo mpenyefo me de akoto ene sre epamacho mumfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme ene de ameyɛ enye me pɛ sɛ meyɛ me pamacho pa mumfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme me sre bɔ ne fache mumfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme ade ne ha me sɛ me ka no kra ti me no kra me kanini asema me review very huge asema dangerous MPP for net here I will never live in this world again me pamacho mumfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme me this secret message edema NDC phone penyufo me sremo me yi me nsa efrem na de ha me sɛ me ka me no kra ene na ma me ken ti me sremo a me pamacho mfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme asema me ken me nim sɛ me wo danger I'm sure mfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme mfa me bɔ ne nkyɛme me da mase sɛ mo tie me bye bye
mo hwɛ saa branche we ya mo hu sɛ ya coach no sɛ onkasa at the same time mo hwɛ dan no kura wo mu na dan na ye prison dem obi bedroom a mosquito net nyina wo fa abrantie kura so no enya ono na police fo ache no sɛ JB dankwa ni wo na police fo ache no de a police fo ache no onie a wo court aye di asem edi sa abrantie we oni sa abrantie we omo mienu omo ya de kro mo hu nipa boni gwei na omo di agina so sɛ omo wo evidence egu Kennedy Agyapong animase mom yenko tie evidence a obi se owo na mom yentie na sema oka
yami aguma na me video ba ko na watra me ba sa program no be san ye bio na me for dan ye services kwaku skirt me kuta evidence it's just Kennedy Agyapong na bo pa ye ku JP dankwa efisa suspect no akasa you can suspect away confused who be say what's a suspect then you see do the action I will not kasa dia tun say ono woka o ma ye ku JP dankwa
adafo se ba hu sa brantie we ya o kasa ye no we di kwaku skirt on e kasa asisi ya no video na me boy ye no sa brantie na o kasa o video mu no onye Daniel Sedu oma coach na be kan sema kire ne se o meka no nwu Kennedy Agyapong animase na omo say na do din kura so sa ba mu e ya rekosem Canada Japan yere e wo ma onuanom wo abusua enti obi wuo mo de to no so se wakum nipa no say na mo ho esiya mu mama yen hwe asem a Kevin Taylor so e kan ye nim se okasa o se o proof enti obe prove ama ye hu asem potia ono so on the truth.
This is the event and also it happened on the 4th of September 2021. Nina say Ghana for more Worcester that afraid the moon cross for no Indian cross for pa almost Canada Japan no mekasa. Now the question is Ghana for ya the Canada Japan and Ghana dia Canada Japan edi Ahmed Swali okuno and the NJBia what threatening a Erastus Saradoko so beku Erastus. We all know around the world that a US congressman Extroma Congress say Canada Japan ko ni pebia and can stripping off every kind of advantage and I say whatever he has ultimately by America na accounts him freezy in the government me to have my own what we call report Mahama against FBI. The world knows Canada Japan he is the prime suspect when it comes to Ahmed Swali. So so you see Ghanaians condoning this nonsense. Ghana for ya wa moti Ghana eti ha.
All right, I don't know sawate Kevin Taylor asema oka. Was Canada Japan your prime suspect. Ya be say ebusa say Ahmed Swali asema walking Canada Japan nasema okan say Ahmed Swali ban the premises no Kevin Taylor your premises and also ban the premises our mom pam them free because why boa abrantie ne da wa boa na manisika ama no akọ school onim se o kan na ase no mo record amamfo enti onhia no on premises America so wo fie na wo se onhia wo bi o premises nipa no betima ba na wontimi ma Ahmed Swali fahi no wuye ba bi o wuye no enye Canada Japan premises adenti na mo de so bo obo no Canada Japan sa ba abonten Ebeka say ensam troni a wo multimedia report bia oyeye ewo adwira no wa nye ni ye ene nti na nipa bi hwere omo nkwa ewo adwira na report no nya nka oye president ka oba make sure be man the lashes Canada Japan onye president okase I say obi say me ba ne wa ana say mema lashes does it mean say wa bu nipa there be eno no ma creating impression say Canada Japan say na obekunu no be say na Kevin Taylor all can say me and NDC for at the press conference be by about 2 or 3 days ago our more press statement or more trend say Canada Japan akoka so when information say Erastus no binima bopose omo be so omo je ne craft ni some NDC for be aka ho asem eno nti Canada Japan say abrantie no bibia ewa bontin bia no o de ba bontin ma Ghana 40 say ade pa MDP NDC phobia kobo na omo pese omo ya abrantie ne bone na omo de akɔhye ono Canada Japan say ono na aye NDC for say omo ntia se Kennedy abekasa asem no ho nsem nyina no ye de bebrama enche mene honorable Kennedy Japan ebetwetwe enkomo no nkro abo enti very soon honorable ebeba jumadi nso jumadi mo share live our YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so Facebook, the announcer newspaper. So in summer, one more air Kenya say Canada Japan ontimi emma America. Na one back binum cradi omodi ateni say waba ye kra no wo soon bitterly. Just say yachina she baby kra wo su bitterly pa anya asem kitwa na arehu wo mo kan sem bebre. Me hwehwe mu a mensa eka ye ene se enra na obeduru ye enra awia ena woba ebeduru ye na waba abeduru kama na ehon nsem bia no so de baba modern e de abram na me busa se defamatory statement ebinum ye efa Canada Japan ho no defamatory statement eye Kevin Taylor wo kan sem bebre efa Canada Japan ho sa so na kwaku skirt so kan sem bebre so efa no ho ye be se busa Ghana fo ma kire se Kennedy emfa asem no enko court na onanim onyama ekuta no on redeem because ebinum egu nanim asepayi efa ho na ye be se ehun se Kennedy eyampa se ode amrante ne be court ana se womfa wo mo enko court na ehon sem nyina no ye bebo modern na ye de ni nyina so abremo na fe mahu de ekoso enti jumade no mo hwe me live ewo YouTube the announcer newspaper so and Facebook the announcer newspaper so honorable I just say
Boko.
Yes, want to me America.
Oh,
Yes,
don't.
America went to me my now who can say free he say
Maybe we'll be few West Orange.
they do America.
Sure.
I don't get that for you say what's to our airport to watch say ya so mu kra yes ya ma na spread baby am pass ya so mu airport na obedu abreben
Now, and run about the need 10 minutes crowd airport. The first class, me see street. Fortunately, any penny. We just went through. You know, but we kept video. Maybe say Ghana for America.
I know my man for who and me am some mama who
Yeah, they say Ghana for America all over the world. Ebinomo abuse social media no emwa your country no. I think senka mo contribution any se mo baya ebetimi aboa Ghana. Na mo watimi abafie. But afedie Ghana for what abrochire no the social media destroy Ghana completely. Na me no I have a thick skin in the Urana was me soon wo airport unim me baby ada. Ushia me wahi. Ebi a woman.
I'm sorry, baby. I want I'm the call business. Okay. Yeah.
Onim me baby ada. And so social media dino obi et me trona or can't in hunu any. Now first of all, me manage Ghana echen iwiasi baby. And they assuming say me kobi krum baka. Why say misu? Because I have so many things doing in Ghana. Me too quiet anemia. Me too quiet anemia. Obi asabi oni bibiyon. Ena o kon kromwana ehano. I have so many people. Bosumi suni yankofo amiti omoka you know business so go up and down. Enya nene sa cheap lifestyle no a mo amwa bruche no ebinu mo afa. Omo fi say social media nti omo betimi edi nse hunu. Me de I rise above that.
I know ever say when him directed by him say okay.
Enya mo anka me no me social media crap go.
No crap pa.
Me ya magima come baby. What you say? Enti enya no crap omo ka se mi su akwa we enra metien unim ga ba ko no ka Kevin Taylor hono. Me pese skirt crap. Me pese e be kana se mi. Enra meaning say we're low level human being on earth. Very low because we na me tie argument bi a mo ya o kaze wono de so nyane permitter na okoye ni progress o nyane permitter na okoye ni progress meaning o nyane permitter na okoye protest. How can such a human being even talk to me? Simple protest. Crowd was seminya me permitter na me koye progress. Look, this is a low-level guy that I don't even have to deal with him. I don't want anybody to discuss him. Cry again. What do you say? We go ne oye daking emfanko a woton we drug no omuton wo mu fie. What do you say? Such people what here almost we did 25 years for America. Me back me firstborn already 32. You won America. Firstborn. And me bad man and I'm be warrior me be 32. But let's focus on things that will help our country. What you say? And this Kevin Taylor Jimmy no amodi ha momo jiji wo so. This is a stupid human being. Momo jiji no so. I was saying to me, my man my dress. I dared him say me made my dress. I'm on some fun address.
I know we are share same way na into details. I didn't know man for boss say JB Dan kwa go wunim hu bi. I didn't hear.
You see, Ghana for no bebre e weak mind. because I am the one fighting for the truth to come out. NDC4 orchestrate to turn around. Now we have stupid boy like Kevin Taylor to come out and say something. Maminchiro and Inyoma. Namu how stupid Kevin Taylor is. He's a foolish human being. Me, JB, me da anayube anopabe 5. And a minya call. Minya call. Nay, a police phobia. There be a homo bagadi me feel easily won. Na me no me find him sorry. Me ba na me no mo tue be din komare. Di call no back ra me can send am so what say na one no ma me pressure no pass. Then he says so honorable Mr. Onyabotre. Na ye kum MPB. Na so how why and no boy JB din. Me kra me nua me ti easily go not easily go kra na me nim baby a wote. We are not that close, but near fine. Ishia Kasa, Menen Kushia or London, a hotel bako, a bon coma, or introducing me to Indian or a owner of the hotel. And the media had some bang a dear name JB walk. Any problem be a anti and conform fremen or ball address in an allocation, nay close to baby amati. So I rush down there, man. We are my and I'm rushing. I'm cool. Me ko ekran na police cars be bre abaho enne dam paria wabeye IGP onu ena o di case ni mu akotere enti ena ye challenge dam pare say omra out o mechiri sa ankofo no whoever boy no amkochi no edini a wo boy no oni sa
share him direct mic akra share him direct mic okay koso
emra omo kochiri sexy don enkrafo bi omo so aba me ncha ba explain bibia akere me how omo na kochiri sexy don e de ne bread dampare na odi ne ba there was another inspector no ho your friend Opon Opon owie na yi emra enkrafo no be bo ni din kire me no there's a case maami bia oni anas ekon ni ayi no security company upon you or call pension or security company oba straight oba catch them plain say akwano bo amedu solo godin Dan Parry had also said say enye eyinkwa no bo ni din bo MPB din MP no upon buy no obo ni din straight ekrem say amedu solo go ena sexy don ebo ni din. You see, make you what didn't be so. Emra boy no wa mo ankasa. Me manu dindi abiti Ghana. Nese NDC wa abreso. Me makokum mi colleague MPA. NDC for make in Agyapong. And gombe jan.
There be.
Make in Agyapong. I got for now baby adwini susa. Said this stupid boy ede ensemble to wa na mu follow na Jimmy phobia na ono so
enti say o ma ye hu say JB dankwa asem nim ho hwe no hu say omu twa to so sa na be so ka twa
we mame mawo ayi na Ghana fo Jimmy fo na ewom no ensu anyansa ene enti emra opon no beka asa akire me sa Fred dampare say papa we wo ba wo see Amadou Sologo boy no bonidin say Amadou Sologo eka ho adentina mon frère no then he laughed one can Dampare just laughed one can we but no dey no catch him plain say boy no bo MP ba ko di ba bonidin but upon no okọ pension first no slow okọ pension he was bold to tell me in my office say boy ni ba Amadou Sologo no bonidin eka ho na me san twema dwenemra bibi so emra boy no ekoye recordings say you know say you know one bibi some question adenti na boy ni say opa Mahama chew ede no ka fa Mahama ho dia afedi o so opa me chew adenti na for the first time na me nka Amadou Sologo ene yi but this sexy don ono ankasa ese opa Amadou Sologo echew enti ena opa Amadou Sologo chew for the first time na me nti wo yo midi The boy mentioned Woyomi's name. Hedibenti and Wapa Woyomi Chow. He mentioned another Ima. Also Opani Chow. Hedibentla. Ganafo. Hedibenti and Sa Seti Dong Dong. So called a Yinua Okan Epa Omucho. These were the names in Kofu Sumano, Emanu Omkodisa is a Huno. And then when you Jimmy 40 say Kevin Taylor, now or twisted facts. Now, Monso, a bit more almost a zombie, dirty politics, Obudi actually, no Muka and Simuno. And the me na me fighting. I have one revelation, a massacre.
All right.
And Samuel Bufu said, when I challenge national security, so they told them to stop. Why? Some will stop investigation, MPP more power. Now, investigation, I mean, can Agyapong. And I was Jimmy 42nd in Taylor, now over cancer. What kind of nonsense is that? Mukolik MPU, you are in power, nobody is investigating. Me push you on the do by Bruno Massaja. Many care for it, Mimi Chin some fool we ask you. Mimi care for it on your case, your coin. Me confront you, they asked me to stop. Nano parallel. Who asked you to stop? Who asked you to stop? I'm making Agyapong. And a Jimmy Fono Tiwana Omuka and say, a family. I built my reputation over the years. I will not allow party people to sacrifice me. I'll be able to say, power we are. Now, colleague MPU, you have all the means to investigate and bring a unit to Dan Pariso and that also made them. You have told me, sir, Oba IGP. You make sure, sir, case in Asayan, in the Dan Paris, Mama was so challenge. Yeah, so who been Yanisa case. I cannot go through this kind of
just say emotional trauma near dream generate problems or more
and come quote to Kura but and some food. And come quote because I know sir I have clear conscience. And you know, me be a fan but and some food and I put say Niantia Mame Kasa and what JB say, hey, any papa say no Obi Ankawi and you can Agyapong. I will not sit there for anybody to sacrifice me for the sake of the party because Mimi Wua Obiani Hua a fan of position no manyan kwan power no na ehia wo mu.
Sacrifice you for the sake of the party, no party, I say.
What I'm saying is that Mimi die enye adia obi dia some to me so a obeka chem say go soft because of MPP party. No way, I won't do it. I'll come out once I know say I'm not the person who be detracted so now say party in Timamengabe. I won't tolerate that from anybody.
The young man for one say I didn't as a Dean or mobile because he said we should Ahmed Swale a wona. A man for boarding, JB Dan Kwaso, a man for boarding. I don't Kwaso now we MP. Don't Kwaso now or Ghana. I didn't know Dean or be able.
Yeah, because I always fight for the right things to be done in the country. A lot of politicians women yet truthful themselves. Therefore, women slow crass and look at the home. Me opa fami kosruba. Unim was in Biaka. Bibia ufu say secret Miaka Sama Canada. And when we are fighting for the truth, a lot of people because all fighting now we step on toes. So those toes will definitely high people go out there, disgrace you and everything. I know Intimeno and happen. Let me go to Ambeswan. A criminal like Anas, very evil guy, very, very evil. And he continues to do that, even under MPP for Heshelde Anas. And so, as far back as February 2018, now we have just been in power for 1 year. Now Anas, a Cosetti, MPP ministers up. You see somebody you have to believe more than me in Agyapong. I have all the videos. And I've given you the date, 8 February 2018. Anas, that evil boy, was setting MPP people up to disgrace them. Senior that's how he makes his money. Or blackmailing for. And he sa I'm a swelling or no akasa or make dinner come crest or so or where you crop for on where is journalist or unravel corruption here. Oh my country.
On the video Babontain the video Baba too just said and wasema Okan or radio says or bad premises Dibisa amount for M1 and Omote ya was sign and check and a woo and one check him why interpret about the cartoon page and amount for Shas here interpret.
Mamma Cassim true. I'm Cassim true. Unin nipa. Assume he said me. Nam the cotu hona mo biakwe. Who are winning yet Juma? Any panel a woo ye within 20 minutes. Maybe I'm in people. Now, who they are to social media or the torso? Did he even say good things about Ameswali? No sympathy, nothing. And when I will say he's behind it because he wanted to divert attention. One, Abentina Asemasi, police investigation, Ukrainian course. Now, who was sending message to a congressman here? Some mimika saying, "Well, I don't Ghana for my Susasana." Ghana for Magdini is Susasa. A criminal like that. Now, where Nipa or no one ask a Kumkum Chinese Pokumu. Now, me call court to me kind.
I know any proof until honor your for honor and to change.
You want proof when I catch your police. I have
fast proof for no police for honor yen fan so cry. Yeah, but your honor yen chasso until honor
no, crash it. I think, Mr. Me what proof? I have all the videos of the Chinese people. What are you talking about? My court to crack can radio so I've gone to court and stated it clearly. Why are you afraid? Why?
I know Canada Japan to share so far no. What share situation now. As a more dream go so a coup and massy.
That penny, one now money your problem. Muamuti Ghana, America, and with all due respect to some of Ghanaians no. Woman near Juma Papa be yenwa, sorry, social media. Omona Sassam way up. Many and come quote and come quote because a new man person a year the boy Ghana. Yanni said Jimmy Samnoa, a bimoti radio Sony TV so any a comfort to say Anas or Jinko for Sassy, Roman sisters senum. Now when your soldier phone paying for you know, I will talk. And he a one problem. And I mean, my culture will say, say, once I'm fighting for the truth, then I'll get enemies. And now, no advice I'm being my own tia to say, oh, baby, you see a friend for my media. Huh? Uncle Pecum Papa be and worry. And so, Kum Papa and go on metro and this atron entry. On pet a Juma Papa be so I hear Juma Papa. Oh, yet send your mana oil. Intermediate, a footry am in my Ghana for tia. Wow, Pesa Ghana ye. Once we are part of it, I will bet me about Ghana ye. And now contribution I would take a crumha and I broach your baby young. Send me out to me cat and someone enya kure. Emma man for you starting a can kure. Name Ghana. Now,
how can I Japan? I yes, I was so Dick Kevin Taylor.
Yeah, I'm in back court. I'm here. Me didn't back court this time. Me the best 6.
I didn't now. Then back court.
Me didn't back court because me person obechere because omo catchere or no one they go and no say wa catchere congressman. Was actually be the comma Usta mayor
yeah.
Me and Agyapong me a metra me nam kum JB Dankwa and nam kum Ameswali. I want the guy to come and prove. It's simple. He has to prove.
And you say no, just say what about America? Dear, on San Ghana, a brown far, a capital and
that idiot. Wait, woman or woman training and the last cinema lawyers near. Not once in a lawyer Ben about the law in this country. Where you go fat Dakim Fankwa, no woman training. They freelance for New York Times, New York Times. Now, I me, how much we do New York Times as Simiana. Now, I'm Kasati say, look, if I'm the chairman of Defense and Interior and Intelligence, officer, I don't deal with the Americans, no. Who would you want? What you am here, Mr. Mimi free her coy. America for vessel by. I'm the chairman. I had to be there with my members. I want to my port. So much here. Now in some way I quit Jimmy Four and the Crasini. I quite never of reference. That boy was what did 25 years. Bro, one go school. Put him in one go school. And this is the people are Mugana for Mutia Monia Biano. Kwaku skirt in a moment or Kasam Chirama Mutie. Kwaku skirt. Jesus Christ, Kevin Taylor. How can you reduce yourself to that level? So this refracts in our society, and they decided the fate of our country and you yourself. Come on, you guys should wake up.
Canada Japan and say, what is same be better about this NDC for Abo Pobi when information said. And some trony be person of the crown over the toes. Almost at the statement about the old canon and quarry.
American cry and Cardentina, Omasako meeting say, Obia Obasa meeting on funny form near West. But they don't know how I get the information. Yeah, obviously, and Oma Babonti may catch your saying, and so they've called all the people at call meetings, Obia for the form. They want to know who has been giving information to Agyapong. They are liars. Now, I'm betting you could other countries say, I won't take this decision. Have they? I don't want to say, media boy, no, the bush and be a minimum were my friend also among country. Say, on country. Now, we no. Oma getting it deep. Oma man this for a disikato. Oma they'll sacrifice them because of power. And that is exactly what they're doing. Oma cap nienti omoye. Almost say. In 2020 election, Sanyamia nka MPP ebelusu. I mean, this is what they are saying. 2, almost say, me, I still have the youth. And maybe I'm a kasachire youth to be armed. It goes against them. So they should try and disgrace me. If they can kill me, anything they have to do to get Agyapong out of the scene. These are very evil people. Me no kasa ewie kura na me nkoda enwe no say ade achi am kokun. But this is how NDC people behave. So they call the meeting and one kasa kan, this is their plans. The pain na makasa mo NDC for it has not come to pass. I tell you, that's the way all back out to make us say, no, correct. Omasako meetings will be unfunny for those who are at the meeting. And then you credit, but you can be a no meeting, national, unfunny formra. Namushe.
And see, let's say the whole economy, I see, or Masama or the press statement by SN quarry. And no, only among Yagin.
No, when Yagin, and you correct. Homo bois. Intimidate a boy, my caution. My caution on Shan Hui. No more. I'm not going to Agyapong
free Ghana, Eba, Nora.
Yeah.
A man for Ghana yet. Nana do so abide, let's say, or more birch. Ghana yet.
Opinion. Maybe at the receipt. And right. My argument, Kameyamasako, back to CBS. We could receipt to her. And right. In your market to Amkoto CBS. Now 141. 137 or J tax $7. You could receipt. The glasses away. Beto only soap. Also tobacco $9.49. Now second one here $4.74. Beto girl a year high back $13.79. Masa in new market to am ko gina hoyi hand sanitizer and kitinkiti ya mata di show mu ni nyina toto aso ha no se ohu me receipt here my brother CVS send your way ya kitu am toy $141 na rubber bag in kitu am bi na ni kura me yere miss kas na dey board we sure if you was so CDM me be afie be calculate ya still opinion so
pepe
so what me $23 ni $4 and then $9.79 toilet roll Anyway, or the G16 champion something. Baku is 16, Ishemu 12. Ishemu 12. And when a choice,
I'm say crime say you know what you know yet you.
When a choice say Iriasi baby ayeti. Enra TNE, Namini Haruna Idrisu, and the T play. Enna or Casse. First one, what's you? My brother, he's all about the place that you can't go to America and you are going to America. And you're serious. And you're serious. Second one, and what catch him so. As for COVID, we have been fortunate. Now I'm catching us honorable. Don't say we have been fortunate. Say MPP, we have managed it well. Enra. He used the word fortunate. And I'm catching say, yes, sir, we've been fortunate too. MPP has managed the COVID well. What America had the my brother, are you telling me, sir, in 2018, situation the way an American economy here, say sanity.
Debbie, and your Maya den gas, boy, money, witness. So
is Ghana a different country from all over the world? Countries in Ghana? No. The word pandemic, it means everywhere in the world. But look how Ghana has managed this. Omo say my mama secret back. Na me kura document be fe na me fi senka do for kura say President Akufo-Addo ebe pardon no here. Because the way I'm mobile with him, me who document me. Me investigation me na about the bank me. NDC was instructing him to pay people. One, you're entitled to the law because unqualified. 2, juma. They were paying them. National security, NDC, they were paying people who are not working. They put their grassroots on payrolls and they got free money. These are the very people now telling us that Ghana yet because there's no free money for them. Please, Ghanaians, let's wake up. And then some you know see walk. You have to move in pick on walk. But abrofui. Now Ghana ni be the jinem life for na all bossa. Kohwe enija na omuchi o. But you sit here and destroy Ghana, your own country. I'm not saying say ahuchire ho. But I'm saying say ahuchire no all over the world. So we have to accept say Adia Akufo-Addo MPP government. Aye, Saturday, may call program wo New York wo bomrebi na mumeti na me development ekoso e wo Ghana. Na mo fan compare 8 years of Mills and Mahama. Just 4 years of Akufo-Addo. Compare it to 8 years of Mahama. Even under pandemic of this COVID, what MPP government with the leadership of Akufo-Addo has done for our country. Don't let us be ungrateful because of cheap politics.
Now, I didn't say why you're near Madiabua Ghana. I didn't know Binum so say I'm fixing the country and near my enkoyi.
And I'm sure Obi also I'm fixing country was getting free money. Now he doesn't get free money. Even Sao social from saying Ash. Sanko for my elite here. Only now a Jessica went DC for. And I say almost I NDC for about 90% NDC for. And Romabano Kikasan same when you're Massa, they are lying. Meaning, your media question Ghana for, we shouldn't forget President Kufuor Agyapong. Any propaganda, NDC for by year on the same. Media Ghana for me catch them all. And yes, I'm here MPP need, but 2 parties need here. You can never choose NDC over MPP.
Recently, report to be about corruption. Nana ado amamwo no keta chene proye koso. Bisa na Mahama kire se. Bisa Bisa. Ore bisa. My boss said about 90% of Sanko for the NDC. And him from the airport. See did this. See did this one.
Very corrupt. Very, very corrupt. Omo for my green and try there. Omo di sika. Na me my telling you Mr. Omwana. What the sika. And NDC for akoshe about 90%. NDC for. So we have to be careful with this CDD whatever because ombeku Ghana. Na me kachire MPP for ne Ghana for say if you know adia NDC for ye sika omu wo Ghana. And I'm say bebre omu ba power no mu ni adwuma yenti no. They are afraid to spend their money. But I'm telling you, they have money. Yeah? One company, no Ejuma will tell you, from 2009 to 2021, NDC company, I Ejuma $3.3 billion. $3.3 billion. Me, Ibrahim, I praise him because we're gonna need out to me. But Otuminya contract $2 billion. Our Takwa Gold Force. I can tell you how much he made in 6 months. But me fan tuja. But we're gonna need intimidate problem. But my point to MPP for me say, have they been able to build people like that? I want to know from MPP for Ibrahim, whether politics or no politics, a human. A genuine near the man contractor and even that he got it under 2017 and Diane and this one common yaman da because ono ninuano ono na breso bia woni Ibrahim ekopre adwuma bia no 13 regime ninuano but yan obi en ho 13 no and yatakwa go force about $2 billion adwuma. I can tell you how much he made between January and June, but a general business, I don't have a problem. Mumisa say MPP for no buy. Businessmen ben obeti do say they have built them. No free so. These people will take over the king. Maminka Bintro. If I'm digressing, but you know maybe I'm mother general anyway. MPP for refuse who said in 2010 we had just left power in 2 years. Sika nobody call conference come here. I paid about 70% of it. And Sana tamali. President Kufuor built a lot of businessmen. Where were they? Where were they? Where were they? President Kufuor built a lot of businessmen. Where were they? My parliament, they gave it back to me. Parliament, I will contribute. And I am challenging MPP for how many people in 2010 just out of power in 2 years. Out of power in 2 years. I can count on these 3 groups, myself, Parliament, and Osamia. And my team called Tamale. A conference. They are making the same mistakes again. And painful be a while, business may be a while. Oh my almost said a shower for MPP or in Beko, NDC or in Beko. Why I'm using the word that Shawani said? It's very easy for them because to convince you woman were dead. To send your Shawani person will easy free. These are the type of businessmen MPP for no mudili. Without building solid businesses. Ali said was built by Mahama. There is nothing wrong with it. We're gonna need and a road construction. What the men people in Ukraine was Ali said. Why can't we build people like Ali said?
I don't work in the Agyapong. My main kind of same way in it here. Main say my main kind way in it here. Kicking out MPP in 2024 is only viable way to save public purse. Akufo-Addo relented to fighting corruption and prosecute his officials. Mahama. Inti Mahama say MPP for 2024 ye kiki mo firi ho na omo aban foforo aba na afei danado corruption no den krofo no onhye da prosecute omo na keta hye ne proye ne koso saa wom ore a hye ne say wa asemi nwana
me support Mahama pa. We support Mahama for making this statement. You know why? See who is talking. See who is talking. A corrupt person like Mahama. Because NPP had failed to prosecute most of them. That is why now he got the nerves to talk the way he's talking. That is what I mean by I support what he's saying. What you say? Some people for prosecute you. Now, first of all, man, be a question. Obi, we are there in 2014, 2015, 2016.
Yeah.
One prosecute you. But I say one prosecute you Obi 2018. Assuming Obi Febia. Why you prosecute you first? Because Obi for 2014, are you going to leave the 2014, 2015, 2016 cases? You abandon them?
And the case is no more different actually.
Of course, NDC for what you say? NDC for who cry Motiva Ghana for say you prosecute you. So we have to prosecute them. Now the number of people you have to prosecute. And Sana Kabedu 2018, 2024, Krana Wumi, NDC for it. Now, Omatiwa can say, Maminka Semchero. I'll be honest with you. May I don't lie. You see, Sa woman say Hunu no Mukikano. And the ma one call for only be Huchiro. You remember Ayarkov? I could try a video of affordable house now.
Akawuramuno, they are not Akawuramuno.
Nama Mimionko call is that than watching
The Huanya Semono.
So, one say Ama or no, Baby Cranan Casa Mencaso Munyo, Baby Cranan Kakoda. One say at the end of no fool say, or Koya MPP animacy. One what saying, it is Mahama Casa Casa. On Wabayama Ninko from Bibrako jail crab before 2024. Because they were corrupt. Very, very corrupt. What do you say?
Honorable Kennedy, Yabena was say, na ansana ubeyense umrekra, na ansana ubekokra, no so far no Ghana for train we asime train a man for audio messages abano enye asem ketwa na binumu busa se we dey e binumu busa o said that chibia ube president ana.
Answer question, me sefatana.
I don't know Sefata because we are Ghana ni Numa who do be brave or Ghana. Dear dancers so Sefata age group no so fall within. Now I said you say boa man for so Ghana for him. So boa man for pa. Ita man for so Sefata. Ti bi no busa. E bi no so say you sit here wo can straightforward no. That should be our be prank be boa pa. What is asem no?
Oh, Matiani, there be every day will be framing worker. But me God's time is the best. Near me person, me ye we see. And he say, make creative jobs and my youth. And that is what I'm doing. So say I'm doing because plans no so. A business is a me bia. Me di be fa youth no eduman. E hear me more. I always say you don't need to be president to effect change in people's life. Your little contributions, Ejuma, whereby Pejuma money be worship new recruitment boys, I have found engineers, security will be yes, that is where my joy is. Enti media and can people before mammy yes can me be a human kesi. Media first can be to America, men found to Europe baby. Ghana hona ye bia djuma mani penye. But again, emre bi bedu na say wa ufu say can Agyapong pa na o say ade ne kwa. We can consider, but media menya too
the really bedu na o hwe na man for the pressure see so as a president. One wa busu ya bedwe ne ho sa na pese o kire. Yo,
media menya ready here but my busu ya for ground mum pesa. Obum pe president be. Now business kura ho adwibire na but me, I religiously get involved in the BMA. What do you say? And the one where me president, Yamed Kurami Tibinibi. Ghana here, young Kwan, a Bebam Timwa, a Bebam Tim Crash more. But what the time will tell. But they see how they made it. Me too unsure say me koye president ana bibisa. Oman ko for mpemfo bi mpre.
Na mo montage kama. Yes sir.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm honorable. Democracy. I'm for can democracy say a tumpon near me also. Now saying I requesting be as you Guinea. I'm a bit more edge or margin or reaction for him.
Yeah, in fact, na me ti play muna me who say omo kase Guinea coup si any. I don't support the coup itself. But say president na no so a change the constitution. Akotena so for the third term, which he did. The third term and a walk on. A political greed. And the breedy revolution any. That is why I always criticize my own party. Say when the people's interest is paramount. The country's development is paramount. It is not for any individual. It should serve as a caution to all African leaders. Because understanding of democracy now, a family, which is wrong. All over the world. Obiaba within the bush of one in Yonkofo. A majority of the people have been sidelined. Let's say Nipo Kotu Nina Ojinanechi pay.
The uncle no quite a fine a Juma a man by a bay
Onipa Neja or Samai. Oh, into but media I don't support Kuno. But it should also serve as a lesson to whom politically greedy. Be among Kwan Efa, say Ewiasi, and Quavieda. One when it results into coup.
You I know Canada better was a sembe now becca dear chat to at the Amaya.
Me Niama catcher were here for a Wahani Omiti all over the world, and he say Ghana is a better country to live. Good country, one casa, o plan your life year. It is not a bad country at all. Now, President called Germany. Now, go for be ejina no more Casano Cassan. Ye niemra. I didn't know the own so ma. Now, me boani ye. More bruchino. But trust them more than what Ghana. You know why? Because more work ethics are completely different. More abruchino for work ethics. Niamabe suye free hand are completely different. Majority of Ghanaian workers, chrono pa enyasem ketwa.
Ebinom, ana.
Me say majority.
Majority, okay.
It means it's not everybody, but majority. Chrono pa. I share me program in the attitude. Usha. Every businessman out in the baby talks about theft. Inti mo amwa brochire no na mo ba. E na mo ba bua Ghana. With that honesty, amunya wadwuma mu wa ha. Mo de ba ebe kire wo mu ho no a. Ye be kuya ni more. Inti I'm saying that Ghana is a very good country for you as a Ghanaian. Uche bebre wa ha. Na enuoma no we are stagnant. We progress never stagnant. Yes, sir, you should look elsewhere. And elsewhere na mekan. Argentina Lebanese foba succeed, India foba succeed.
I'm being chow no. I'm some for the pressure. See me so say benum some more one or two questions be busa.
Let them ask.
Okay, I don't for one question. Bear 1 minute be. Obey me the message a bear 1 minute audio. And my name tomorrow 1 minute. Number and I'm dear go 774 3124276. Audio. Yempatim DJ yempeshe. For 1 minute per ebusa wasema peso busa ni ebebo ama honorable yano. Honorable Bachoko say it you.
Yeah, auntie, the Americans say Ghana is a very good country. I hope for ba succeed. Na yene Ghana for de bia ne me ya. I mean, say me be to show say a Ghanaian can make it too. And he said, I want India for Lebanese, Chinese, British businesses be on my baby a society. But any Ghana for the society because of the level of dishonesty among ourselves. In the kind of training a discipline the back Ghana. boy, you bet me a but you need to take bold decision because Uba Ghana for Ed in a year would be a gross in ambition. Until you understand, if you want your bad experience, and unti omun person muba, intimate say, but in painful say, in sure far bar, no one sure. Mummy and Yakudro, near my boa Ghana, near Yasa Ghana, near Ghana, yet. Why won't you want to on ye?
I know about more audios, baby, and be says, yeah. I bet your more friend of Munya Frey at Macho, Mama audio non quamra.
Hello, Daddy Fred. So they be a maseno message be na me pese ubisa kene de Japan mami say the friend Joe say okay emrebi na me pese mbusa say siano nsema Kevin Taylor any koku skirt omoko kano obedu America na de abesre no onyem
a man for so free this there. Of course, not doors on our messages and also doors on. I'm rather what the Obia can say. Yeah, but I'm more friend among guys.
I'm about to meet you because a free Germany.
I don't me but dear all friend my trouble was a sending audio. Don't call me watch out. Why?
Now, Mr. Wabu's honorable say. Hello, Daddy Fred. I'm about to meet you because a free Germany. Now, Mr. Wabu's honorable say, Wabano, Kevin Taylor, no, soon announced and 1 year per once a month. Right. It's my question. I can see a donor pie can so. Now, I soon do a baby by him to assume the mamma pa.
Daddy Fred, good morning. Well, you know, Yankopon Shao for bringing out the truth. Question and it say, me too, honorable life. The question is recent video of Captain Smart and Kevin Taylor, especially Captain Smart and Ra, say I get honorable green card. I get a green card on can.
Oh, me watch out there all friend.
I did you say a friend say on none of the coy until I mean say Captain.
This is serious. More me person me block mo lines no. Mo fa audio emra. Mami ya no clarify we am why.
Mami ya no me what America ha. Ya ji me green card that make me abekuru ma bi.
There be unti ma.
Simple. Ya ji me green card. So America for my boni. Ya ji me green card. E na ko pep visa ya ma wo say.
There be.
Me kura green card since 1988. But Oba, how long have you lived there? How long have you lived in Ghana? You know you are not supposed to say, please, I'm tired. But in you my year politics. Why do you always have to be asked questions? Say you're not supposed to live outside for 6 months. Say crashy money for green card. They just have to apply for the visa. My brother, what you kroma? Say my boni etia we see baby an American government. So or remedy ya Jimmy green card member kroma. Ebe then ya man visa 5 years na mti kroma. Me ko apply no. So okay. Why say we do green card mine? We have to do investigation. Okay. Me the call February. Me August. And one more from so go to DHL. Your visa is ready. And I'm a man, me protocol, your friend Paul, or Koji visa Edinburgh. And you would out to America for my bonnie, Yaji me green card. But then met me up a krumha. Man, met me up. You see, but people will be a upper bonnie aye, no Captain Smart. A man a gun. Me no say. Me air conditions or budget up to now. What the cut 10,000 untria. Send your day young for Gigi Ubiayi. But we are, me name the kind of human being, Captain Smart, yes, sir, who air conditions, me ma baku 13, me company. Kwaku menya, Edia Dinamau. Who tria, no, I got 10,000 untria. Who's any power? Who to me become me once? When him, I leave him to God. And by me 10,000 there, only free. Obenya ho akatua. Obetumi abumani nyina. Ba me 10,000.
All right, Jabada, I know about member audio when it's here we so asem.
That is right. The same question and no honorable Ken ya patro ya person who sue kwa skirt so kwa joke ya fanza kwa skirt na papa ya fanza kwa joke besia. Ya person who sue ni mayen one Kevin Teller ya person who come anu tu mayen yes no daddy when ya ba America yes raw you saw the wo
me go to say eh here me obi a concern na
si kwa skirt kwa skirt mo ya fanza kwa skirt si ni mayen yes raw si na sana wako
Mati,
all right, honorable messages, you know, bro, be 1,000. Mean to me, more, na merenity, no. Assemble na beka chat to the amay.
Enti, send ya beka na makani, ame can chat to answer Ghana, prompt to send ya, in the pebim air to infutru gumonino. Ti, momia mompa ma president Kufuado, na on tenasi 4 years, 3 years, I can no onfa make a difference in Ghana. So, okay, employment, NDC abreso omutimi call IMF Emma e freeze employment Emma Ghana mrantie enye adwumanye hwe backlog ho we me no kase soldier for 2,000 police for 5,000 migration for 2,000 fire service 2,000 prison 2,000 NDC abreso adentina graduates eco form unemployed graduate association. Look at the number of factories Akufuado buy ye bie Ghana for Numa and oko brekum tomato factory uko Cape Coast potting poultry and Numa ekoso Ghana ha ebi mu ba omo fra bibi diversity Kwame Nkrumah Numa papa be nyina no Rollins ni nkofo NDC for PNDC NDC aton Numa ni nyina amenyoma no ayu omo akasa properties buying properties no omo tom omo antimi develop no omo antimi develop no mu rafia na enya Rollins na de diversity implementation e buy diversity implementation Kwame Nkrumah Numa papa oye ani ameme MPP ni but Nkrumah de I praise him say he was a visionary leader no two ways about it but not the obey nyina Rollins said NDC nyana se for ni NDC what human afa and so woman team and develop no factories do even 2021 had the number of factories President Akufo-Addo Akko commission. How can we be ungrateful to this government for all the good things we are doing? The message Ghana for Omwa no mu gisika funu edi omu tifia na NDC for tu omu kan omu no di nyama bo mti yewo because sesika funu yemfa mo mu ni bi enti Ghana and says we are moving say nye COVID ne baya nanki akwachiri ti am assuring every Ghanaian listening to me so dia wa mo dia etimi na mo kasa because mo wa brochire and am timi compare difference 2018 mo sitinam 2019 mo sitinam ni 2020 2021 because of COVID ya mo sitinam waye sa na esi wo ewiase baby ya nti
Honorable yansha sa poster we share poster we sisi ya so who poster na was screen so no
yes
there be program na mo be
Saturday MPP program and am can once him say I'll be there to dey come
very good yeah that was it Saturday MPP program mo kwa ase nti Honorable yeti landemaya
enti ni am catch a futu amre ma nyina ne say you should all take your destiny into your own hands and move on but who we are sena person society you should be able to take risk and your risk is you should be calculated say oh ko Ghana what plan your life ebia afiba akodie masitrem say na mpese me ye no ansa na madwuma no atimi akoso. These are the things you have to think about to me plan ye now ba Ghana na say wan kasa wan be bie adwuma amfa ma obi no ansa metena Germany ametena America na wa wote ho a Ghana is not bad at all.
Ana we bada was nti enhwe wanim abrebe na yebete se wo de Kevin Taylor court
well lawyer no kra why late ye twen wa ha ba ya investigate just say once a call global in the baby obia lawyer be at me see so we are waiting
Yabeda was say onya adaje ene ye twetwen komo. Yada was say adofonom jumade mo share live YouTube the announcer newspaper so Honorable Kennedy Agyapong na mo say ye ne no twetwen enkomo no.
Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band equipment apapa, a church for a quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, a band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there, and then a location of a coffee pipe junction. For number ne was you, no one casa free, no more beyond that one, no more being a semi frama, one casa free,